No Periscope, no flagship. We are not saying this. Realme India did in a recent teaser that they shared. Realme shared this image by simply saying that if your phone doesn't have a Periscope camera, it is not a flagship phone at all. And by saying this, they introduced their two new smartphones, a Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus. Now, going by the teaser, we of course know that the phone has a Periscope lens. But then what else does this masterpiece has for us in the box? Let's find out.
First up, the display. The Realme Pro series boasts a stunning 6.7-inch FHD Plus OLED display. But that's not all. We're talking about a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Say goodbye to lag. The Realme 12 Pro gracefully tips the scales at a mere 190 grams. Meanwhile, for those seeking an extra touch of luxury, the 12 Pro Plus carries a weight of 196 grams. The in-display fingerprint scanner on both models is a testament to Realme's commitment to seamless and secure access. The Realme 12 Pro will be powered by the formidable Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, ensuring a seamless blend of performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, the Pro Plus takes it up a notch with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, promising a symphony of speed and power. The Pro Plus, a true maestro, offers up to a staggering 16 GB of RAM. Picture that, a device that can juggle your tasks with the finesse of a seasoned virtuoso. It's not just a phone, it's a performance masterpiece. Breaking through the lens barriers, the Realme 12 Pro series is set to reintroduce the Periscope camera, making a grand return since the X3 Super Zoom. This means a photographic experience like never before. Brace yourselves, as the Periscope camera is likely to grace the higher-end Realme 12 Pro Plus models. Elevating the game further, the Realme 12 Pro Plus takes it up a notch. A 64-megapixel Periscope rear camera steals the spotlight with a 50-megapixel telephoto lens that offers a tantalizing 3x zoom. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor completes the visual symphony. A stunning 32-megapixel front-facing camera for those selfie enthusiasts. Now, let's dissect the optical marvels of the Realme 12 Pro. Picture this, a triple camera setup on the back, starring a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 32-megapixel telephoto lens boosting 2x zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. Flip to the front and a 16-megapixel selfie shooter steals the spotlight. Both the Realme 12 Pro and Pro Plus will be fueled by a robust 5000 mAh battery. But here's where it gets truly exciting. Both these devices will support the blazing fast 100-watt SuperVOOC charging. The base variant kicks off with a generous 128 GB of storage, offering ample space for your apps, memories, and more. The higher-end models also offer a whopping 1 TB storage. The Realme 12 Pro and Pro Plus are poised to make their debut in the later half of January. The base model, armed with all the wonders we've explored today, is expected to grace your pockets at around 27,000 INR. That's all for today's tech news. Stay tuned with us for more such content and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.